Hi, this is Jason at Hello RC. Gonna do a little product unboxing and a little test today of a new 24th scale product that my wife and I picked up while we were shopping at Costco the other night. We saw these when I walked in, and as soon as I saw them, I knew I had to have one just because I want to see if it performs as well as it says it does on the box. Now this is the Craze Shift 24 two-wheel drive buggy. It was $20. Claims that it goes 20 miles an hour. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz radio, rear-wheel drive, full suspension, proportional steering and throttle, and it even has working brake lights and tail lights. Okay, now to unbox this thing. I've already had it out of the box, so this is going to be really easy. But here is the buggy. Here is the transmitter. And what was a surprise, it actually came with 4 extra tires. The tires are the exact same size, tread pattern, but they are a harder compound than what is on here right now. These light gray ones are very soft. Black ones are a harder compound. Now I don't know how well you can see, but it does have a full suspension. The rear suspension has a pretty good amount of travel to it. The front, not so much. It's pretty much drooped as soon as you set it down. But there are some tiny springs in the front, and then the rear has this trailing arm set up with the spring about halfway back the trailing arm, and then the motor is mounted directly on the drive shaft. Okay, now to turn it on, power switch. Oops, doing this backwards. Turn on the power to the radio first. Power switch on the bottom. The radio does have a high speed, low speed button, which you can see on the vehicle itself will change the brightness of the headlights. Now, one thing that I did notice that I was kind of surprised at is under throttle, it actually has working turn signals. So that's it for the unboxing. Now time to give it a test run. Now before I get started, I just wanted to do a size comparison. This is the Craze 124 scale. This is the axial B17 Betty 124 scale, so they're pretty similar in size. The scale's pretty good. Now I'm going to test the speed, but I do have a GPS device, but this thing is so small and so light, the GPS device probably weighs as much as the vehicle itself. So I'm just going to kind of watch it and see how fast I think it is. Okay, so after driving it, I would say for $20, this is definitely worth it. It was a lot of fun. As you can see, it jumps pretty well. I did have the harder compound tires on for that run. I think it may have done a little better with the softer. My thinking was less friction, more speed, but really my surfaces are so rough, the softer compound would have probably done better. But yeah, $20 Costco, Power Craze Shift 24. Pretty happy with it. It's going to be fun to race a couple of these together. And I didn't mention this before, but it does charge the actual car itself off of a USB plug. It's right there. So pretty convenient. Lasts about 15 minutes. So if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment below. Thanks for watching.